Well, good evening. All right, so it's only taken me 5-6 hours to get part two done. My apologies for that. Had some construction going on here in the apartment. Actually, in the apartment, I think below us and across from us, et cetera, et cetera. So anyway, it's been a crazy day. So I finally have some peace and quiet where I feel like I can record a video where you can actually hear me and I can concentrate. All right, so I'm Corey, and back with you for kind of part two of our course introduction video. And maybe perhaps you even noticed throughout the day, I'm starting to add things, adding the assignment descriptions more specifically, as I feel, give you an idea of kind of what we're doing in the course. And I just want to, I know I just sent out a notice too about the text, because in the text I had the wrong title of this book here, but I know I'd shown it, and it's obviously I've used it as the icon too for the course on the on your dashboard canvas. But make sure you get the Upstream book from the Heath brothers. They have several publications, so I've adjusted that. So in the course syllabus links, when you go there now, it says Upstream versus the other book that was listed. I've also added the course schedule, and then got the readings or the reading for this week. Let's pull up the. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the course schedule, and we'll talk about that this week. So each week, since this is an asynchronous course, meaning that we don't have that set time that we meet every single week. I'll be posting videos like this, hopefully not at 6:15 at night, but hopefully Monday morning of each week, I'll have at least a video or two to kind of set us up for the week, what to expect. And then throughout the week, I'll post videos, for example, for this week. So this is kind of getting us started. We're all kind of getting acclimated to kind of what's happening and what's going on. This is just our first day. So later, I'll have a video. We'll talk about Project 1A. I have a video that talks about Project 1B specifically. A video that kind of discusses and talks about Kramer and Bernhardt. And then we'll also have a video that kind of talks about what's kind of quote unquote due that weekend, or what we're going to kind of be working on over the weekend. So if we kind of look right here, so our course introduction, I'll talk a little bit about the syllabus. I'm also going to talk about upstream thinking, how they relate to the assignments that we're going to be working on this weekend. Primarily for this week, then we'll start by reading out of our Texty book, Chapter 1, Introduction to Technical Communications, right here, out of that. And then, as you noticed on our page on Canvas, start to say Moodle, Canvas, you'll see here that I put Kramer and Bernhardt. All right. So we go back to here, and you'll see this is the reading. So those are the two things to read for this week. And then there'll be a discussion this week that we'll participate in over the weekend. And then I'll have this broken up where we'll have week one assignments due or week one discussions. And so those will be listed right here in projects 1A and 1B as we kind of go through this particular unit for the next 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, I think it is. And then I will come out with a video that will go into detail as to here's what you're going to respond to by Friday, and then you'll respond to a couple of your classmates by Sunday. So those kind of be like a Friday, Sunday deal. Not every single week, but some weeks. And then other weeks, we'll have peer review. All right, so the following week we'll have a discussion, and then we'll come up to here where the discussion won't be a discussion per se, but we're going to team up, because once we hit the Unit 2, the WikiHow instructions, we're going to now form teams. So projects 1A and 1B, well, project 1A is you creating resume, career portfolio. Project 1B is kind of putting it in a digital format. And then when we hit project 2 or unit 2 with projects 2 and 2A and 2B, and then project 3 has 3 components to it, they're going to be doing those, and they're going to be forming teams. And so as we get closer, we'll talk more and more about that, and more specifically the details. And we'll use the discussion board feature to then join teams. And we'll talk about that as we get a little closer. All right, about to lose my voice, guys. All right, so this gives you kind of an overview of what we're doing, kind of setting up the course. I'll be back, obviously, with more videos throughout the week. But make sure you get this on the way, start reading the Chapter 1 and the Kramer and Bernhardt text, and we'll talk more about that soon. Stay safe, stay awesome. Bye.